So this is Coolmoon. It comes with a fan. The cable, it connects to the molex cable, the power that shines up, and the controller is pretty cool. It has fans and it connects to LED. Up to 10 fans. You have to be all Coolmoon fans because they have a special connector. And here's the controller. You can change the modes, make it more dim. Turn down the speed of the fan. Going slower. And the fans is basically off, so it's all LED. That's pretty cool. And then you can auto mode. Has different modes. So I should do a better job of putting stuff in there. First mode has solid colors, has like red, green, blue, orange, yellow. So far so good. The thing is, the fan feels really cheap because on low speed. Auto, and then they'll auto change colors and stuff. So yeah, I highly recommend it.